Are you looking for a picnic macaroni salad that'll make your mouth sing? Then you gotta try this jalapeno popper macaroni salad. Let's do it! I've cooked up a pound of macaroni and I'm also frying up some cut up bacon. Drain that pasta and pour it in a bowl. Add a can of diced jalapeno peppers. I've cubed up some Colby Jack cheese that I'm putting in next. And those cooked bacon crumbles. For the dressing, I need half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm using the whipped, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Mix until smooth and creamy. Add that sauce and then toss to combine. And now I'll just cover it and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. Let's serve it up. I'll top with some parsley flakes and a little panko breadcrumbs. I'm ready to taste. It's great. Definitely taste the jalapeno pepper in there. And the bacon adds some good flavor. This is a great thing for a picnic. And you can make it too. Thanks for watching. My doctor suggested that I lower my sodium intake. I took his advice with a grain of salt.